Welcome, in front of me is Soyo M4 Pro Mini PC, and in this video I will show you where to find the currently active MAC address of this device. So first of all, open the start menu and search for CMD application. Then run it as administrator by clicking right here. Click yes. And in the following field, input ipconfig /all. Press enter and you will see the list of all network adapters installed in your PC. As you can see, most of them are disconnected. You can see their status in the media state field, and each of them has the physical address, which is the MAC address of this particular network adapter. Now if you want to check the currently active MAC address, you have to look for the connected adapter, which in my case is a Wi-Fi adapter, and here is its physical address, which is the currently active MAC address of my device. And usually at the bottom you can also find the Bluetooth MAC address, but I'm not seeing it here right now, so probably Bluetooth is currently not configured properly on this computer. So that's how you check your MAC addresses on your Soyo PC. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.